Alrighty, let's take a look at Lesson 5. Lesson 5, we have a word problem that we're looking at first. Sarah has 20 apples. She shares them among 5 friends. And we're going to write an equation to represent how many apples each friend gets. We can use a symbol to represent this number, and we'll use something like a square or a diamond. So here's things that we know. We're starting right here. We know that the total number of apples plus the number of apples each friend gets. Sorry, that's divided by, isn't it? That's divided by. The total number of apples divided by the number of apples each friend gets equals the number of friends. So there are 20 apples in total, and there are 5 friends. So we can write down the equation 20 divided by this unknown number equals 5. Here's 3 different ways to solve the equation. We're going to look at this way here. We're going to use counters. So the total number of apples is 20, so you should draw 20 counters. There are 5 friends, so you should divide them into 5 equal groups. Okay, so when you do that, there's where you get. You'll get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 groups, and you'll notice there are 4 counters in each group. So therefore, if we say 20 divided by 4 equals 5, we are correct. Okay, next we'll try and draw a picture, and the picture is basically using a grid system, the grid paper. So if you draw an array that has a total of 20 squares, and you put 5 squares in each row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there's 5 squares in each row, and if you keep counting, you'll get 1, 2, 3, 4 rows, right? 4 rows with 5 in each row is basically 4 times 5, right? 4 times 5 is 20. So you can figure out how many rows there are. There's 5 in each row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there's 4 rows, so each friend will get 4 apples, right? Okay. We could use mental math. Mental math, 20 divided by something equals 5. So we can go in reverse. Remember, we can always go take our dividing equation and go in reverse and think 5 times something equals 20. You can always go in reverse, right? So 5 times 4 equals 20, so 4 is that missing number. So each friend is going to get 4 apples.